My name is Ben Connolly. I'm a logistics controller within the bioresources team at Northumbrian Water. My primary role is to manage tanker exports from sewage treatment works all across the North East, as far north as Berwick, as far south as Darlington. So we have 24 HGVs and approximately 45 drivers based at Howden and also Grandstands. We're looking for experienced Class 1 and Class 2 drivers, CPC trained and preferably no points on the licence. So benefits to the job, we offer on-the-job training, free parking, catering facilities and also a PPE issue.